since we already finished the topic that we had last meeting, and that is about the importance of time. So we will now start. Our new topic for today is telling time to hour. I have here something for you guys, and I want you to tell me what is it, okay? Alright, so do you have any idea what this is? Okay, a clock. So do you have clock in your houses? And why do we use clocks? Alright, so we use clocks to tell the time of the day. To further educate you on how you're going to read and tell the time, as shown in the clock, we will have first a short activity. No worries, this is very easy and anyone can volunteer. So actually, I have here jumbled letters, and we need to arrange these letters in order for us to form a new word. And I also have here clues so that you will be guided on what is the correct word for these jumbled letters. So the first one is, so we have H, C, and U, and L. And the clue here is 12 noon is the time we are going to eat our. So what could be the possible word for this one? Yes, that is correct. Okay, and the next word is, alright, so this is read as fast break. And our clue would be 6 in the morning. We are going to eat our what? Correct, breakfast. Very good. Alright. Okay, last one. Alright, so R-E-P-P-U-S. And our clue is, in the evening, we need to eat our what? Correct, supper. Let's take a look back here in our paper clock. Can you tell me how many numbers are written on this paper clock? Can you count it for me? Okay, so there are 12 numbers on this paper clock from 1 up to the number 12. And can you see, aside from the numbers, what else can you observe that is on our paper clock? Yes, there are hands on the clock, and they are represented like arrows. So, how many hands are there? 2. Okay, what can you observe with these hands? Okay, so one is short and the other one is longer. Do you have any idea what these two hands indicate? No idea? Okay, so let's start with the long hand. So the long hand, this is also called the minute hand. And the short hand is called the hour hand. Okay, so let us now try to tell the time. So anyone who can tell me what time is it shown in this paper clock? Again, what time is it? Okay, I heard someone saying here 3 o'clock. Very good, that is correct. So I want you to note this one. When the minute hand is at 12, read the time as o'clock. So since the shorter hand here is pointed at 3 and the longer one is pointed at 12, so this is called as 5. If it's 2, then that would be 10. If it's 3, and that would be 15. Until the number 11. So for 11, that would be 55. And the number 12, it would be 60. But we will not read that one as 60, but we will read that one as a clock. So once again, for this one, this is not called as 312. 360 as well is wrong. So the proper way to tell the time, that would be 3 o'clock. Okay, so let's try another example. Okay, the short hand is pointing at 6 and the longer hand is pointing at 12. What would be the time? Correct. So the time is 6 o'clock. Again, that will be not 6:60. Okay? So to guide you for the minute hand, I have it here so that you will have a note. But next time, I will further discuss this one. Okay? Today, let's just focus first to telling time to an hour. So this is how you're going to read the minute hand. So as what I have mentioned earlier, 12 should be called as o'clock, 1 is 5, 2 is 10, and so on until 11, which is 55. Okay, so Rita and Rico is playing the Tell the Time game. And on the clock, the short hand is pointing at 2, and the longer hand is pointing at 12. Now, Rita's guess is the time, it is 2 o'clock, while Rico said it is 3 o'clock. So among these two, who do you think is correct? Once again, the shorter hand is at 2 and the longer hand is at 12. What? It's Rico? Are you sure? Alright, that's correct. So the one telling the truth or the one guessing the correct time is Rita. So it is 2 o'clock since the shorter hand is at 2 and the longer hand is at 12. Do you have any questions? No? Okay. Let's have another example. So next game. The shorter hand is pointing at 11 and the longer hand is pointing at 12. Now, Rita says the time is 10 o'clock, while Rita says the time is 11 o'clock. Once again, who among these two is telling the correct time? Very good. It is Rico, since the shorter hand is pointing at 11. So it will be read as 11 o'clock. Okay, so do you have any questions? Or do you want me to give you more activities? Okay, as much as I love to, but we're running out of time, and you know how important time, right? Because we have discussed that one last meeting. So right now, in order for me to check if you really understood the lesson that we have today, I will be giving you an assignment, and I will be checking this assignment next meeting. Okay, I'll give you at least 5 minutes to answer this one. I need no copy, I'm so sorry. I'll give you 5 minutes to copy your assignment, okay? Alright. If you do have questions, please tell me, okay? Please raise your hand and I won't hesitate to give you an answer. No questions? Okay, very good. You're a fast learner class. Okay, your 5 minutes is up. Are you done copying your assignment? Okay, very good. So, since there's no any questions anymore, I will now end the class with a quote. Okay, let us read this one. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. So that ends for today, and I hope you learned something class. See you next week. Be safe.